If losing weight was just about eating less, the world wouldn't be full of women who are exhausted, frustrated, and still struggling with the scale. The truth is, no one talks about the real enemy of weight loss, the kind of hunger that comes from your mind, not your stomach. And no, it's not a willpower problem. It's a strategy problem. More and more women are discovering a natural, affordable trick that helps control anxiety, reduce bloating, and shut down sugar cravings without suffering. And the best part? It's not a magic pill or a fad diet. It's a simple fiber called psyllium, and it's been transforming how women relate to food and to their bodies. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful reasons why psyllium has become the silent secret for women who are finally managing to lose weight naturally. And it just might be what you've been needing too. It controls emotional hunger without suffering. Ever found yourself opening the fridge like it might offer you a hug? That uncontrollable urge to eat something sweet or greasy, even when you're not hungry, has a name: emotional hunger. And that's exactly where psyllium comes in. When taken with liquid, it turns into a gel in your stomach and sends a powerful message to your brain. I'm full. That reduces food anxiety. And no, you don't need to constantly fight yourself to resist cravings. Many women report that using psyllium regularly helped them reduce late-night pantry raids. A simple example? Mix 1 teaspoon into a glass of water 30 minutes before your main meal. It's a natural way to say no to urges without feeling punished. After all, managing emotional eating doesn't have to feel like a battle. It can feel like finally being in control. When someone realizes that psyllium works from the inside out, they understand it's not just about managing what's on the plate. It's about quieting the noise in the mind. And that, my friend, is powerful. With fewer cravings and more prolonged satiety, you gain energy to focus on what really matters. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see how this same fiber helps tackle that constant abdominal bloating. It reduces bloating and improves digestion. That feeling of being bloated, even when you barely ate, can have less to do with food and more to do with a sluggish gut. And let's be real, bloating doesn't just mess with your digestion, it messes with your self-esteem. Some women even avoid fitted clothes or mirrors because of it. This is where psyllium becomes a gentle but powerful ally. It acts like a natural broom, cleaning up the digestive system and helping it run smoothly. This fiber for weight loss forms a gel that helps move waste through the intestines, without cramps or harsh side effects. Unlike aggressive laxatives, psyllium regulates gently, like a friend nudging your gut instead of yelling at it. Some women report losing up to 3 centimeters around the waist just from getting regular again. Want a simple trick? Drink psyllium with warm water in the morning for a few days and watch the results. When your digestion works well, everything else improves. Your mood, your energy, even your sleep. It all plays a role in women's weight loss because a toxic system won't burn fat efficiently. And if you think feeling lighter is good, just wait until you learn how psyllium helps balance blood sugar. And that changes the whole weight loss game. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Did you know that sugar spikes sabotage fat burning and trigger even more hunger? When you eat fast-absorbing carbs, your body releases insulin to manage the sugar, but whatever it doesn't burn gets stored as fat. Psyllium acts like a sponge, slowing down how fast those carbs get absorbed. The result? Fewer sugar highs and lows, fewer cravings, and less fat storage. Imagine eating a tapioca pancake and not feeling starving 2 hours later. That's the kind of balance psyllium brings when taken before meals or even mixed into foods. It's not just for people with prediabetes, it's incredibly helpful for women who want to lose weight naturally. Because keeping blood sugar steady means no energy crashes, no crazy cravings, and no self-sabotage. With better sugar control, your body gets into a smoother, less inflamed rhythm. And you know what comes with that? Mental clarity. Those quick fix decisions like "I'll just order delivery again" start shifting into healthier, intentional choices. And speaking of mental clarity, the next benefit is all about energy and focus, because without them, no routine really sticks. It boosts energy and focus to stay consistent. You know that drained feeling that hits before lunch like the day's already won? It's often linked to unstable blood sugar. When glucose levels spike and crash, your energy does too, messing with your mood, focus, and motivation to stick with healthy habits. Psyllium helps even things out, keeping your internal rhythm steady. And once your energy steadies, even hard days feel easier. Picture this. You start the day with Psyllium in your morning shot or water, and suddenly your morning flows better. You can think clearer, remember your to-do list, and even resist grabbing random snacks just to survive the day. Psyllium promotes prolonged satiety, avoiding that emotional crash tied to eating. It's not magic, it's consistency. And smart support. And when you start to actually feel good, healthy routines stop feeling like chores. The secret isn't cutting everything or surviving on lettuce. It's giving your body the right tools. And speaking of smart tools, there's one last reason why Psyllium is changing so many lives. And it's way simpler than you might think. It builds a transformational habit without going extreme. No lasting change happens overnight, but it always starts with one small habit. Psyllium has that power. It's practical, affordable, and ridiculously easy to add to your day. One spoonful in water before breakfast makes a real difference. You can mix it with juice, morning shots, even oatmeal. It's a tiny step that leads to massive, lasting transformation over time. Unlike extreme diets that vanish by day 3, Psyllium adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. No harsh restrictions, no rebound effects, and no budget stress. It's like planting a seed. You won't notice the change right away, but give it a few weeks and the results are clear. That's the kind of quiet consistency that powers real, sustainable female weight loss. When you learn how to take Psyllium the right way, it doesn't feel like a diet. It feels like self-care. And when results start showing, less bloating, fewer cravings, more energy, you'll want to keep going. And if you're ready for even more practical tips like this, hit that subscribe button, because what's coming next could change your life even more. So tell me, how many times have you tried to lose weight only to find yourself stuck in the same cycle of cravings, guilt, and exhaustion? What if the answer isn't to cut more, suffer more, or try harder, but to add one smart, natural habit that actually works? Psyllium for weight loss isn't a miracle, but it might be the shift you've been waiting for. Because it's not about pushing harder, it's about pushing smarter. Are you going to keep battling emotional eating on your own? Or are you open to trying something that women everywhere are using to feel lighter, calmer, and more in control? Which of these 5 reasons hit home the most for you today? Drop it in the comments. I want to know what's held you back and what's going to set you free. If this content opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share it with a friend who needs this too. Around here, we talk about sustainable weight loss for women with truth, not trends, and we've got plenty more coming your way. Let's walk this journey together.